I worried about Rania. Rania is an introvert daughter, so I tell teacher Ain to do something.
Guys, do you guys remember the flow of human digestive system?
No, not yet, Sophia. I have several times to remember it, but I did. Aha! I have an idea. Let's try to combine arts in science education.
Traditional science learning makes students bored, passive, forget concepts easily, and have limited teamwork and creativity. Breaking news! SMK Raja Permaisuri Bainun introduced innovative science learning. It leads by teacher Nurul Ain binti Muhammad Halidi. Using natural Playdough to build digestive system models, it's also helping increase student motivation, creativity, and hands-on learning in science education. The DIY Playdough is made using eco-friendly ingredients such as flour, salt, cooking oil, vinegar, and water, together with the natural colors from butterfly pea flowers, roses, turmeric, and pandan leaves, promoting environmental awareness while supporting Sustainable Development Goal 4, which is quality of education and sustainability practices in the classroom. According to teacher Ain, traditional science learning methods such as lectures and memorization give lower student motivation because students become passive and easily lose interest.
You jealous of the feelings, like why you always on the phone for? Feel about God, then he put me the strangest thing. He's not ready to talk. Let a man spend the wrong day for the kid. He didn't make his 3 months, it's incredible.
During this project, I discussed ideas with my teammates and we planned together how to combine art and science in learning about digestion. We explored the shapes and functions of each digestive organ by making creative models using DIY Playdough while learning the simple equations and digestion process. After that, we answered questions to check our understanding and shared my experience to teacher Ain for her report.
Liver.
Mama.
Bakers. Intestine. Small intestine. Anus. It's done.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and greetings to everyone. I'm Mr. Muhammad Halim bin Arafullah, the Perak State Volunteer Icon for year 2025. First of all, I would like to congratulate to the DND team from SMK Raja Permaisuri Bainun Ipoh for presenting such a creativity and meaningful innovation project. I truly believe that this project can motivate and inspire more students to develop a deeper interest in science subjects. Science is not only about learning facts and formulas, but also about creativity, innovation, and discovering solutions for the future. Through projects like this, students will be able to experience a more fun, interactive, and exciting way of learning science. I hope that the DND team will continue to inspire many young minds and achieve great success in BIICC year 2026. Well done and all the best.
I believe this eco-study project is a very meaningful and sustainable idea because it shows how simple household materials can be turned into something useful and educational. Creating Playdough using flour is not only creative, but it is also safer, cheaper, and more environmentally friendly compared to some commercial products. What I like about this project because it promotes sustainability in a simple way that students can easily understand.
In conclusion, this project was a very meaningful experience for us and for the future. I think this approach can also be applied to other subjects or subtopics that helps students learn in a creative way, understand concepts better, and enjoy the learning process more.